What's up guys? So today it's gonna be a little bit different kind of video, so I'll be doing a unbox. So this came in today. I actually ordered this 2 days ago. If you know by the title, I ordered the GoPro Hero 10. I was thinking for a while if I wanted to order a new GoPro, and for the new one has pretty great settings and overall a new pretty much processor that will gonna be kind of future proof there for updates and upgrading software if GoPro does upgrade stuff like that. Excuse me guys. But yeah, so today I just got this. I'm gonna unbox it right now and just do an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10, and then I'll test out the GoPro separately. So if you want to watch that, subscribe, give it a like, let me know in the comments if you want to see any particular kind of test. But I'm just gonna do an unboxing right now, and if anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments, and subscribe for future content of the GoPro. So it's gonna be kind of new for me, testing out a GoPro, a new one. Literally they just came out 2 days ago I believe. And so let's get this going. Let me unbox it. Plus I don't want to flip it to the other side because that's my address, so on this side is totally fine, that side, this side, but I'm not gonna flip it over there because I don't want to see you guys have my address. Oop. Let's see, nothing important in this. Okay, nope, that's my receipt, so nothing in there. But yeah guys, I ordered the GoPro and I added the media mod to it. So, and I got in here, let me see, this looks like it's the SIM card. Yep. So I ordered a 64 SD card for the GoPro, so it'll be pretty good. The media mod, it's approved for the GoPro 10, so it should work. And here is the GoPro. Oh, this is so cool. Let's get this open. That is so cool. This one has the hyper smooth 4.0, so it'll be really steady even on the motorcycle. Here are the settings, or the new pretty much information that you have. It has 5.3K at 60 frames, 4K at 120, a 23 megapixel sensor. Same thing as waterproof for 33 feet, 10 meters, and the GP2 processor. So this one, it's pretty much whole new flagship for GoPro. So it'll be pretty much awesome. So let me open up the media mod. And I'll wait on the actual SD card later on when I install it. But media mod, this will be pretty much this will be useful for vlogging and motovlogging on the bike, so without actually using the old style dongle, this one that I have on the GoPro. So if I wanted to, I could use it on the new one, but I don't want to use it. At least I want to have the media mod be the main source for the audio and surround the GoPro and make it look more streamlined than this, because this is just kind of bulky, sticks out. So adding the media mod to the GoPro will be pretty much make it look all streamlined. So let's get this open. Oh man, I am so excited for a new product. But guys, I am not sponsored for GoPro or nothing. I bought this for my own money, so it is coming from my pocket. It's not for free or nothing. Let's open this up. Oh man, so it has the QR code, information, the user manual, keep it to the side. And alright, so here we go. So here is the GoPro. Oh my god, that looks so big from the previous Hero 7. You can see the different size of this. Even the cage just makes the GoPro 10 makes the Hero 7 look so small. But let's unwrap this. So like everybody has seen, new color design, the blue in the bottom, the lettering, the tan is blue, even the black is blue. Oh man, so let's do this. Remove the stickers. There's one, there's two. Like GoPro said, the lens has a hydrophobic lens on it, so water will just repel from it. So I will test this out on my motovlogs. If it does rain, come on, focus. There we go. So I will test this out on my vlogs on a motorcycle if it does beat off, because usually if it does rain, the water will gonna stay on the screen or on the lens, so hopefully that should be good. Like I said, your camera must be updated before you use it, so I'm gonna update this. So if I can take it off. Yeah, there we go. Focus. There you go. All the stickers are off. The material on this is pretty much, I never held the GoPro Hero 9, but it's pretty much like a sturdy plastic around here. Then you got the rubber around the front and back edges. Pretty cool. So it comes with the new battery. So everybody knows this, the same size for the GoPro Hero 9 fits on the GoPro Hero 10. Put that there. Alrighty, now like always, comes with a charger. So it will fit on any GoPro. Come on, focus. So this will fit pretty much on the GoPros, any from the 6, 7, 8, 9 for type C. So the USB regular comes with the regular mount, like always. this time looks like it only comes with one hard mount, curved, so you put it on the helmet on the bike. So I'll probably use this on the bike somewhere. And you got the screw. So get this on, so that's perfect. But yeah guys, so there we go, the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10. I was about to say 9. I don't own the 9. I skipped 8 and 9, so I got the 10 as a gift for myself, because like I said before, I do work a full-time job, plus I have a part-time job, so I can make enough money and just have fun making the YouTube videos. So this is gonna a gift for myself. So but yeah guys, if you want to see anything else, for right now I'm just gonna put the battery to charge, install it to the GoPro, and then update the firmware. So but yeah guys, if you like this kind of content, I know this is new for my channel, but if you want to see something, let me know in the comments. If you like this kind of content, subscribe and give it a like to help out the content, to reach out to new writers or anybody who would like this kind of content. I know it's gonna a one-off probably, but we'll see. The media mod is gonna be separately. Everybody knows about the media mod already. For right now, I'm just gonna install the SD card. If you focus, I'll leave it there. So install the SD card, update the firmware, and that's pretty much it guys. If you want to see anything else, like I said, let me know in the comments. I'll be figuring out the new settings on this GoPro. I'll probably watch some YouTube videos on this too. So alright guys, let me get this finished and play around with the camera. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.